Cancer is the second leading cause of death in the world, and it comes in many forms. One such form is breast cancer. To commemorate survivors, assist fighters, and help raise awareness, October is celebrated as Breast Cancer Awareness Month. This evening, as Breast Cancer Awareness Month comes to a close, we highlight the stories of two women, one in remission and the other still fighting the battle. TVJ's Ken Morgan now brings you this week's edition of A Ray of Hope.
TVJ's Ray of Hope.
It's October, and for Jackie Douglas, this month signifies hope. It's 7 years since she was diagnosed with early stage 3 breast cancer.
I was told if I didn't have my chemo treatment and radiation, I'd be dead in 6 months.
But support gave her hope.
I try and be always up about it, but you have that downside too.
Carol Lee Robinson Simpson was diagnosed 2 years ago, but unlike Jackie, she's still fighting the disease. She said at first she was devastated.
I said, oh my God, why me? Why me?
Carol Lee says that since receiving treatment and understanding the condition better, she doesn't allow it to worry her.
I eat, I cook, I go about my business. That's the only time I think about it and choose when I'm coming for my chemo.
Their treatment, which is at the Hope Institute, comes at no cost to them thanks to the government and the Mahima Foundation. Senior Medical Officer and Director of the Foundation, Dr. Dingle Spence, says at the facility they believe a holistic approach is necessary to help patients during this trying time.
When you come here, you're definitely suffering. And so where we're coming from is how do we help everybody? Not just the ill person, not just the tumor in the lung, but the person who is sick and their family.
Jackie says the ordeal of having lost 12 friends over the 7 years to cancer has taken a toll on her.
When I finished treatment, my hair started to grow back. A friend told me to challenge me and say, why don't pink your hair? I can't stop pinking it now. But that helped me.
All three women are encouraging others to put fear aside and get screened before it's too late. They're also encouraging those already diagnosed to keep fighting and to live life to the fullest.
Don't be afraid. If you have a breast lump, get it checked out. Most breast lumps are not cancer. If it did happen to be cancer, the best time to find that out is early, because we can cure you.
Just go out and get yourself tested. It can save your life. You can live longer to see your grandchildren grow.
Fight. That's what I have to think. Fight like a girl.
With a ray of hope, I'm Ken Morgan.
TVJ's Ray of Hope.